Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use app permission on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here just click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So scroll down, you will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here scroll down and click on Galaxy themes. Now you will see second option is permissions. So click on permissions. You will see permission is allowed. So after the process, go back, scroll down and click on Gmail. So you will see click on permissions. You will see. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use app permission on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.